Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to do Pinterest keyword research. So, if you don't know about how to viral your pins, so click on this I button and watch that video. So, let me discuss this topic. Pinterest keyword. If you want to create a Pinterest keyword research, so I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Pinterest. Then I will enter it. So you see here, I click on this Pinterest.com. This is my website. Okay, you see here, I will log in it over here. Okay, so my business name is Skill Courses. So you see here. Then I will click on this tab and I will go to Home Feed tab. Okay, you see this is my Home Feed tab. Get open over here. Then you see a search option. I will click on here. I will type here graphic. You see a graphics. You see graphic designing, graphic poster art, graphic design poster, graphic trees, graphic design fonts, graphic design background templates, graphic poster, graphic outfits, graphic eyeliners. These all are keyword related to graphics. Okay, so I will type here graphics designing. So you see graphic design poster, graphic font, graphic design background template, graphic design images, graphic design portfolio. These regarding to the what graphic designing keywords. This is the first step for you can find out the keywords. Okay. So then I will type here graphic designing images. So I will type here images. You see images. When you type images, you see graphic image PNG, graphic design image background. Then you see a graphic designing image, digital art, graphic design image HD, illustration, graphic design images in digital arts and peoples, graphic designing images in black, graphic design images in money, graphic design images in vintage, graphic design images in black and white, graphic design images in cross. You can see also images like that also. Okay, so you see I will click on graphic design images background. So you see here these all graphic design image background will get open like this. You see here these are all backgrounds regarding to graphic designing images. Okay, you see. Okay, then I will try. Then I will go here again. You see free photo, abstract guidance, and new life. You see here. This is all our keywords. You see here in the title also. You see this is the website are show over here. Then there are hashtag free pic, hashtag photo, hashtag no gradient, hashtag means hashtag background effect. These all are also keywords regarding to that particular pictures. Okay, you see here. If you want, I want to give the comments. You can also add the comments from here also. Okay. Then I will go to a new tab here and I will type here Pinterest keywords website. Pinterest keyword research. Okay, here I will go to here Pinterest keyword.co.tools. I will click here. Okay, I will type here graphic designing. Okay, and I will search over here. Okay, I will click on I'm not robot, and you see here graphic designing 32,100 volume over here. You see a competition of this particular graphic design course is 5,400 keywords. Then graphic design flyer is 4,400. What is graphic designing is 2,400. Graphic designing website is 1,600. You see this also you can also create this kind of from this website. But there is another setup for keyword targeting. You can also set the target from the keyword also. So you see here, you go to again to help for the Pinterest. Okay, and you see login and sign up from here, and you see a keyword targeting. You see the article. Keyword targeting leads to the people and specific ideas on a Pinterest to the keyword targeting. select the keywords and related to you are promoting. Suppose I want to promote a certain my product. For example, I have my own YouTube channel on skillcourses.com. So I want to target or promote my this channel, the Pinterest, so that audience will get converted into my YouTube channel directly over there. So that I will go to the Pinterest and I will type the related to keywords for that basis also. Okay, so I will go to here. Okay, I will show you. I will go here and I will go to again business hub. Okay, I will go to my business hub and I will go here and I will go to create pins. Okay, I will go here. I will choose my file. Okay, you see this is my file will get open over here. I will go to downloads, or you can go to my, I will go here 5th of May and I will okay, I will click here and I will select this. Okay, then I will open it. You see this is my thumbnail. I select my thumbnail over here and I will type here how to viral pins on Pinterest. Okay, so I will just give you certain description about that. Like this, I am create this description, description like this. Then I will add a link over here. This is my links I will add over here. Okay, I will select this website. Okay, and I will select this link. I will copy this link and then I will go and add this link over here. I will choose my board over here. You see this is my digital money. I will choose this board. Then I will add a text. You can also add a text from here also. Then you have to give them first hashtag over here. Hashtag. Then you see here how to viral pins on Pinterest. I will copy this headline like this only and I will use them text like this. So like that, this is second step. You can also create your tags or add your keyword from here. Okay, like this. Okay, and suppose then another is I will also go to another tab and I will go to Pinterest over here. I will go again Pinterest. Okay, wait a minute. Suppose if you don't know how to add your text, so I will go again here Pinterest and I will go here and I will fill over here. Yes, wait a minute. Yes, I will type how to viral pins. Okay, you see how to viral pins, how to viral on Pinterest, how to be viral on Pinterest, how to become a viral on Pinterest, how to create viral pins, and how to post pins to viral, how to make Pinterest pins go viral. Like this kind of text you see here, there are a lot of text you see here. You can choose any one of text. So I will choose this how to become viral on Pinterest. So I will go here again, how to viral on Pinterest. Then hashtag again I will use another keyword. How to make your pins go viral. Hashtag how to make your pins go viral. Like this. Okay, there are a lot of text you can see also, and you can also add this kind of tags related to the topic. So my topic is related to Pinterest, viral Pinterest. So I will select this particular kind of topics to viral for that. This is my board, and if you want to change the board, you can also create board over here, and you can change the board also. You see here you publish at letter. So for I will click on this. You can publish the letter also. You can type. You can change the date over here, and then you can publish automatically. Pinterest will get automatically will get published. You cannot get published. Open the Pinterest and go to Pinterest, and you can publish your whatever your profile or whatever your pins you have to publish like that. You cannot do like that. But in case you can publish it later, you can add your date here, add your time over here, and then Pinterest should get automatically published. Okay, so I don't want to get here. I will check later and I will publish over here. Okay, like this you can create a Pinterest keyword research. Suppose if you want to see your competitor, so I will go to here and I will how to viral piece. Okay, I will click over here. You see here there are a lot of people are taking or upload their piece over here. So I will go here. You see I will click on this. You say talkbits.com. This is the website. You can add your website from here. Okay, I will show you. You can add your website from website link also over here. So it's my YouTube link. So I add over here. But if you have any kind of website, you want to add your traffic, generate traffic to your website, so you can add your website link over here. Okay, over here. Sorry, you can add your website link over here. So how to make Pinterest page go viral? So Pinterest tips and bloggers. So this is you see here. This is they get description about that. You see the all the descriptions and hashtag Pinterest traffic, hashtag blog traffic. This is also a good one of the tags. You see hashtag blogging, hashtag blog tips. So you see here, then you see followers to 23.1k followers you show here, you show get. Then you see here there are lots of there you see there are two comments show over here. Okay, and you suppose I want to give the comment, so you can also give the comment from here. When I click on this website, okay, you see here people guys. So I click on this website. So you see here I am directly go to that talkbiz.com website. Okay, and you see the article of that particular person. Okay, so okay, like that you can create your own keywords from here also. And not only that, you can also go. This is a first method. Okay, suppose Pinterest keyword research. Okay, Pinterest keyword research websites. Okay, so this is the first website I'm telling you that. This is a second. This is a IO website, AI generated websites. Okay, then third one is that you see here how to do research from Pinterest keyword research website. So I will type websites. Okay, you see this is the first website. This is second website. There are a lot of websites you can use the tags or any kind of keyword research. Not only like Pinterest, so you can also use the websites related to that particular websites. Okay, this is the second method for you can create your website. First method I am telling about you can see your tags or you can see your keywords in Pinterest. And second way is that you can also you can see your website related to that particular website for that Pinterest. Okay, right now I'm show you. You see here I'm go to another for here this website and I'm type here. Okay, how to make your Pinterest piece go viral. This is 30 volume. You can check the SEO competition also. Okay, from here. How to make your piece go viral. So I will also add this tag from here. Okay, you see. Okay, I will go hashtag again. How to make your piece go viral. How to make things go viral, like that. You can also see or also type this kind of keyword also.
So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.